This cute little guy is one of the most ancient primates around, the slow loris. While they're nocturnal, their circadian rhythm and sleep patterns are far more like ours than we ever thought. This is Java, a volcanic island in Indonesia. These small, unique creatures with round heads and big expressive eyes are the first nocturnal primates to have their sleep patterns studied in the wild. My name's Dr. Kathleen Reinhardt, and I'm a primatologist and scientific illustrator. Solar circadian rhythms are similar to humans in that they display monophasic sleep patterns, so they sleep for one single bout across a 24-hour period, a lot like we do. In the wild, slow lorises anticipate bedtime. Their internal clock cues them that it's time to slow down and rest as the sun begins to rise. There's a hypothesis that monophasic, or long continuous quality sleep, is more effective because you sleep deeper and rest better. The monophasic sleep rhythm may therefore have contributed to making us human, with the large brains that characterize us. Quality sleep is so important to both humans and slow lorises in order to get optimal performance both mentally and physically for day-to-day activities. What I love the most about my Sleep Number 360 smart bed is that I can tailor it every night based on my sleep needs. I can figure out what time of the day is the best for me to go to bed, as well as waking up for me to get an optimal sleep. To track the lorises' circadian rhythm in their natural habitat, we equip them with accelerometers to monitor their movements throughout the day and night. By studying the lorises in the wild, we realize how important their habitat is to maintaining a healthy circadian rhythm, which affects everything they do. By working with the people of Java and the Little Fireface Project, we're looking for ways to minimize the impact on these precious animals and their ancient sleep patterns. Because of the slow loris, we continue to learn how vital our circadian rhythms and quality sleep have been to our evolutionary advancement.